Hello Philippines, hello world, hello America, this is KemmTupica guys and welcome back to my channel. Hello Philippines, I hope everyone's doing okay. Hello Indonesia, we can do this, and hello America, and we can fight for this. And this is dedicated, guys, this reaction video is dedicated to all the people around the world. Yes, to all those people watching this. I know this is domino effect that we are suffering from now. And to all the peoples in China, guys, I just want to tell you we're strong, and we can change these lives, and we can be the better person as we take care of our wild animals and as we take care of those people around us. And please don't panic, guys. And as I'm saying here, this video, this reaction video is dedicated to all the people who's fighting for coronavirus and just trying to contain it. Yes, this song is We Are the Champion, covered by Alip Ba Ta. July 13th, 2020. As we fight, as he enters the US, this is Alip Ba Ta, guys. We are the champion. Yes, because humans are always the champions in this one. Please do good in all living things. That's a fingerstyle from Alip Ba Ta. You know, his talent is amazing. The way he plays the guitar is like the way that we can fight these viruses around us. The way that Alip Ba Ta strike the string is the way that we contain the virus not to spread around the world. Yes, guys, as a song, the message for us is we can do this. As the way Alip Ba Ta play, he struck his string, every sounds of it, like there's one person that's healing right now. And we can fight this. Yes, I believe in our scientists, our nurses who are working hard just to contain it. I know we don't have a cure for this one, but you know, we can do this because all of us, we are the champion. We can do this. We can do this. Like, this song is the message of the song that we all are the champion in this world. And the way that Alip Ba Ta, he gave us hope by listening to this song. Yeah. Thank you, Alip Ba Ta. Your music surrounds us with joy. You captured every emotions of us by listening to your music. Is a piece of art, and forget our problems in the meantime. Yeah. that what music does to us. Yes, forget our problems and go on with our lives and think of the better things that we can do. Yes, like every sound of his guitar, the C minor, the D minor, the F, and like the C is for carrying, F is for friends, and D is for being there. Yes, his music. That what makes us beautiful right now, listening to him, like I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. He's really good. He's a talent. He amazes me all the time. Listening to him melts my heart. Oh, I don't want to cry. If you lost someone in this dark times right now, yeah, they're always light in the end of the tunnel that we can do this. As Alip Ba Ta played this song, like it touches my heart. I know a lot of people like suffering from this. We can survive this because human has been tested, and please, after this pandemic effect in this world, please take care of our animals. Don't eat them. Yeah. Because I believe in every human, guys. There's always goodness in you. Yeah. And Alip Ba Ta, thank you for your beautiful music. Yes, and your cover brings us joy that at the end, we are the champion as long as we stay good. To all living things. Yeah. There's always hope to be better. Bringing every nation to life. I don't know what to say. It's really good. And please take care of our animals. They're part of the world too. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. I'm crying. I was watching those video from China that were eating those animals. Like, it melts my heart because I have a pet. I have a dog. Like. We can do this. We can do this. This is just a test for us. Yeah. Okay, guys. I have to end this video, but Alip Ba Ta, your music bring us joy in spite of this going on right now. And even like subscribe to this channel, guys, or you can just put your comment down below. See you on my next reaction video.